Heater stays on standby. When I press the mode button, it just keeps returning to standby. Can't get heater to go in spa or pool mode. Has power and flow.
Who manufactured the spa?
No spa. Just pool.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Replaced circuit board last year and worked fine all year.
Have you reset the heater by turning off the power to the pool system and then waiting about 3 minutes and then turning it back on?
No change. It's on but keeps going back to standby. Service light not on. No codes.
Is this a Pentair or Hayward? What model?
It moves to spa and pool but then goes right back to standby. Hayward.
Are you on automation?
No. Replaced keyboard last year. Worked fine. You think it's display board or circuit board? Figured I'd try display board first. Unless there's another solution.
I am wondering if it somehow thinks it's in a program mode. Try these steps to see if it moves to anywhere. This is for a lockout on temperature in the spa mode. Use the mode button and place the heater in standby mode. You are at this spot too. Press and hold the up and down buttons at the same time. Wait 3 seconds. 3. The SPA indicator light illuminates and the display shows the current Max Temp Lock-out setting. 4. Use the up and down buttons to set the desired Max Temp Lock-out setting. 104 should be at 5. Press the mode button and the pool indicator light illuminates. 6. Follow the same sequence as with the SPA settings above. 7. Press the mode button again to return to standby.
That's it.
Great. Usually if the display circuit board is not working, there is no message, it is just blank. Please remember to rate the question to close it out. Stay safe.
It just went back to just standby. Wouldn't start. Same issue.
Me think a minute.
Keys click well. Display board is relatively new. Now when I push both up and down keys I get nothing.
Did it try to fire 3 times?
Mode key moves light but it returns to standby. Nothing. No click.
It may not let you do anything and it may try to start again in 60 minutes.
Okay, but it's on standby now. Wait it out and can I check back with you?
Yes, please do. For some reason it wants to stay in standby. If there was something else wrong, it should give a different error code. Low gas pressure would not let it call for heat in either mode, but you just filled back up. See what it does in an hour.
Okay.
Be sure the gas valve from the gas supply to the heater was opened back up.
It is.
Do you have a spa and pool?
Just pool.
If it was a communication error, it would give that error code. It seems to want to work, then goes back to standby. Does it cycle at all?
Does nothing.
Sounds like a circuit board again. Check the communication wire from display to board. Let me know.
Connection's all good.
How is the repair/diagnosis coming along?
Doesn't work. Assuming circuit board is bad.
It was doing well when you tried to go into the program mode and unlock. It's either the circuit board or one of the items in the initial startup is not working correctly. I never got the model on the heater. I need to know if it is an electronic ignition or millivolt heater. At this point, before ordering a circuit board, I would check the series of initial sequence on startup of the heater to be sure it is not something else. However, if it is a millivolt heater, it may be you need to clean the ignition contacts as they can get dirty over the winter.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.